Viewer discretion is advised.
Boom, perfect timing.
Officer Matthew Schneider and Officer Mark Lindsey of the Glendale Police Department pulled over a silver Chrysler Pacifica driven by Anya Chapman with passenger Johnny Wheatcroft and their 2 young children in the back seat. Officer Schneider claimed the stop was for a turn signal violation, though later video and investigative findings revealed no such infraction occurred. Upon approaching, Officer Schneider demanded identification from both Mrs. Chapman and Mr. Wheatcroft. Mrs. Chapman complied, but Mr. Wheatcroft, who was merely a passenger, questioned why he was legally required to show ID. Officer Schneider alleged Mr. Wheatcroft appeared to be reaching under his seat or into a bag, claiming this behavior was suspicious. Mr. Wheatcroft denied this and stated he was simply adjusting his position.
How y'all doing? You guys staying here?
No, not yet. I'm just
Not yet.
I'm about to get a room.
Okay.
I'm about to get a room.
You guys got your IDs on you real quick? All of you. Hey, when you turn in here, man, just make sure you throw your turn signal on for us. Just, yeah, that's all it is. Nobody has their ID on them?
No.
Anything with your name on it? Yeah, just grab it out real quick. Nothing in the car there shouldn't be, right? Anybody?
No.
Nothing?
Why are we even looking?
You don't have a driver's license on you? No, I don't. Do you have a driver's license? I have my ID.
Thank you. Number 22. Be code 6 at 7116 North 59. It's Arizona Charles Bravo 2772.
Can I go rent the room? Or
Not, well, just hang on a minute, okay?
Yeah, just hang here for just a few seconds with us.
Don't reach in your bag, man.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
You said you don't have no ID. I don't want
No,
you
no, I
reaching
don't,
in there. What's your name?
Why am I even being asked?
Well, you don't have ID, and
I don't
then
need my
we
ID,
made
right?
a. Yeah, if you're a passenger in a vehicle, you need to have your
Why
ID.
is that? I have an ID. I don't have to give it to you. I mean, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, well, I could take you down to the station and
For what?
fingerprint you. Because we made a traffic stop on the vehicle, brother.
Body cam footage shows Officer Schneider opening the passenger door and trying to forcibly remove Mr. Wheatcroft, even though he was still restrained by his seatbelt. Mr. Wheatcroft repeatedly stated that he was not resisting and that he was entangled by his seatbelt. During this physical struggle, Officer Schneider deployed his taser for the first time, shocking Mr. Wheatcroft inside the vehicle in front of his terrified children.
That's
I
it.
didn't do anything wrong. I'm not doing nothing. I'm just, you know what I mean? I'm just here trying to help
Listen,
her.
we could do this one of two
No,
ways.
okay, relax for a minute, please. I mean,
No, I'm gonna relax. Listen to me. We're
I'm
gonna.
sorry, I don't have
don't-
nothing. All I want.
Okay, I don't want you stuffing anything down in between
No,
the
no, no,
seat
no,
like
I'm
you're
not,
doing.
I'm not.
Relax. Keep
Okay,
your
oh,
foot in
please.
there.
Okay, stop, please. I didn't do anything wrong. Man.
Here's the deal. You tense up. I'm gonna
Okay, man,
listen to me.
okay, I
Listen to me.
understand. I understand.
Listen to me. Relax your arm, okay?
Okay. What I do
Don't
wrong?
start.
What I
Listen.
do wrong?
A couple of things. One,
I
okay,
apologize.
you don't have no ID on you, okay? I'm trying to do this as easy as we can. You already
Okay,
done
by law,
stuff
I don't
something
have to.
down in
No, I
your
didn't.
backpack and you stuffed
I didn't
something
stuff
down
nothing
in
in
the
the backpack. I
seat.
promise you that.
Okay?
I
Are you
promise
gonna
I
fight or not?
No, I'm not. But I
Okay.
promise you I didn't step
We're
nothing
gonna
in
do
my
this.
orange seat, okay?
Okay,
And
well,
don't
I
have
just
to give my
watched
ID.
you.
No, you didn't, sir.
You.
No,
Okay.
you didn't. Ow, ow.
Listen.
Stop, Oh,
He's
please,
gonna
dude.
fight, dude.
No, I'm not, bro. Ow, please
Just
stop.
wait.
I'm not fighting.
Relax.
Okay, babe, I'm not.
Don't pull away. Hey, get your
I'm not,
taser
bro.
out.
I'm not, bro. I'm not.
You are.
I'm not. I promise you that.
You got a taser on you right
He's
now.
not, he's not.
I'm not doing nothing, man. I'm not doing nothing,
I'm
bro.
gonna tell you right now, you're gonna continue.
Ow, man, what the fuck is wrong with you?
Relax.
I am, dude. Ow, stop, motherfucker.
He's not gonna
I'm not shit. Ow! Stop! Ow! What the fuck?
He's not doing nothing!
Lay down! Lay down!
Turn over! Turn over! Turn over, motherfucker!
Quick, he's not.
Mark, stay down, buddy.
He's not doing nothing, I promise. Stop. Hey!
Stop doing that, please.
Stop!
Officer Mark Lindsey later claimed Mr. Wheatcroft struck him in the head with a bag during the chaos, an allegation Mr. Wheatcroft denies. Once Mr. Wheatcroft was dragged out of the car and forced to the ground, Officer Schneider used his taser repeatedly, approximately 11 times over the next several minutes. Several discharges occurred after Mr. Wheatcroft was already handcuffed and lying face down, rendering any claim of resistance implausible. The most disturbing moment was when Officer Schneider pulled down Mr. Wheatcroft's shorts and fired the taser at or near his genitals, causing excruciating pain and long-term psychological trauma. Throughout the assault, Mr. Wheatcroft's 2 children can be heard screaming and crying from the back seat, while his wife Anya Chapman begged officers to stop.
Give me your hand. Okay.
He's not gonna do nothing!
Middle of the complex, roll fire.
You're doing this for absolutely no fucking reason. This is stupid.
She's gotta get to the kid. Whoever hit me in the head.
Yeah.
No. Please stop. I'm not doing nothing.
Fucking doing nothing!
Get your hands up right now. Get your hands up right now. Mark, stay down.
I'm saying you hit him in the head with a bag.
Hey, we need to get. Watch Mark. He's hurt.
I'm just sucking his
I
seatbelt.
fucking do!
You hit him in the head.
No, she didn't. She didn't mean to.
I hate
I'm stuck
Face
in the
the
seatbelt.
Oh,
Face the car.
I am stuck in the seatbelt, bro. Ow. I'm stuck. I'm straight stuck, bro. Ow.
Hey, get in front of the car right now. Get in front of the car. Come on. You're all right. Come on. You're all right, buddy. Come on.
Ow, bro. Please.
Mark's hurt. Mark is hurt. He got hit in the head by her. We need to get her in handcuffs right now.
She didn't mean to. Please don't take my phone.
Hey, stop.
Good kick. Hey.
All right.
Stop it.
Ow, I got hurt.
sir!
Get the kid out of the car. Get him to the front of the car.
Walk this way.
Everybody's in custody right now.
What did I do?
Who's got the taser? Both of us. Take your taser out.
There's probes everywhere.
I got him.
I'm damn how hard
Go ahead and
bro,
glove it,
please. Can't breathe. Please, I can't breathe. Elbow! My elbow!
Okay, keep fighting. You're gonna get it again. You want it again? Shut your mouth! I'm done fucking around with you! We got a, there should be a backpack right in here. Just pull that out, make sure nobody touches that.
Get the probes out. What do you guys want to do?
You want to grab the probes out first when nobody gets stuck?
He got hit a couple times, so. Where's Mark at?
Don't worry about the probes. We're good so far. Let's get him out. Get him stand up. Get up.
Stand up.
Can't breathe.
Shut up. Shut up. You're fine.
No, you haven't touched me, please. The probes are in chest pain.
Listen to me.
I have pneumonia, but I really have chest pain. I'm having pain.
Okay,
I
well,
have
you
pneumonia.
shouldn't have been stupid then.
I've been trying to.
Watch
pneumonia,
your
bro.
hand.
Sergeant, I have pneumonia.
He's got one right there.
Hey, Bill.
Right here on the
Right here.
I have pneumonia.
Right
And
no,
behind.
watch-
And behind. And behind.
Relax. Stop being a big
Oh,
baby.
I have pneumonia, boss.
That's all four.
I'm telling you, I have pneumonia.
Yeah, I think that
I
is
can't
cool.
breathe. I can't breathe, boss.
You're fine. You're talking.
I'm good. I've got him. This car right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
Ow, my wrist! God damn it, man! Please! I couldn't cooperate, bro.
Hey, did we search him real good?
I did not. So, as far as searching him,
He's got another probe hanging. Looks like.
Let's pull him out and search him real good.
Let's let him calm down for just a sec.
Yeah.
And we'll
I
get
just
him out.
dropped the probes on the ground.
Which,
Yeah, there's
which
probes down
vehicle's
there.
related to him?
This car right here.
What do you have?
Dope.
No, we got everybody in custody.
should be some-
Mark
You got
got
dope?
fucking hit. I don't know what he was stuffing.
Who got hit?
Mark got hit in the face by her. She fucking swung something and knocked
Where's
him out.
Mark at?
I don't know. I think they got him out of here.
Mark's over here with LTZ.
What's that? I don't know, dude. She had something in her hand. I see her lean forward from the back seat and fucking hit him in the head, and he fell back.
Oh shit.
And dude, thank God you were there, bro, because it would have been fucking 3-on-1. Because Mark was down.
I know. That scared the shit out of me when Mark fell.
Following the assault, Johnny Wheatcroft was arrested and charged with resisting arrest and aggravated assault on an officer. Charges based on the claim that he had struck Officer Mark Lindsey. Mr. Wheatcroft spent several months in pretrial detention. In 2018, after body cam footage became public and contradicted officers' reports, all charges against Mr. Wheatcroft were dismissed. An internal Glendale police investigation resulted in only a 3-day suspension for Officer Matthew Schneider. Media later uncovered that Officer Schneider's personnel file contained multiple prior disciplinary actions, including 5 separate policy violations, workplace harassment complaints, and 1 incident of destroying evidence during a prior search.
We first reported last week that Officer Schneider had been disciplined repeatedly, including 3 suspensions. Now we're taking you deeper inside his past discipline. Before Officer Matt Schneider tased a handcuffed man repeatedly, internal police records show he had been suspended twice before. The first time in May 2008, suspended for a day for failing to follow orders. A supervisor told him to stop playing with a knife at his desk, but a short time later, another officer walked by, got hit by the knife, cutting his hand severely. The next, in June 2008, Schneider was suspended another day after he intentionally ordered the destruction of a citizen's personal property after prosecutors dismissed the case against that citizen. And tucked into that suspension, it says Schneider was also disciplined for unbecoming conduct in 2005, although it doesn't say for what. Schneider's most recent suspension was for this tasing incident that's now gained national attention. Multiple independent police experts told ABC 15 they were shocked that he was still on the job.
Based on what I've seen, I can't imagine that this officer is still an officer with the Glendale Police Department.
In June 2018, he received a written reprimand for workplace harassment and creating a hostile work environment inside his unit. The document is vaguely worded, but says Schneider's repeated actions were considered insubordinate, bullying, and had escalated to physical contact with employees. Then it says this: there was a significant event in March 2016 that had come to be referred to as the chair incident. The incident was not fully investigated, but clearly impacted the squad as a whole. It's not clear if there are other incidents or complaints against Schneider that were not fully or properly investigated. Remember, the governor came out and called this whole taser investigation a whitewash. And experts tell us that Glendale appears to have covered up not only for Schneider's actions, but also the fact that he appeared to lie about the nature of the traffic stop. We showed that he could not have seen the alleged blinker violation because he was in a back alley. Here's something else about the Glendale case. The internal affairs investigator actually concluded it was clear that Schneider could not see through the building to observe the traffic violation. Schneider did not have probable cause, but those findings were overturned by 4 supervisors. Here's what they wrote. I believe that Schneider did observe a legal traffic stop. The one surveillance video obtained does not have the exact view that Schneider had when the violation occurred. Additionally, Officer Pittman advised in his statement that he observed the turn signal violation from a different camera perspective while reviewing the Motel 6 surveillance footage. Catch that? The day after the incident, record shows Schneider and another officer, Jeff Pittman, claim they went back to the Motel 6 and saw another camera angle, proving Wheatcroft didn't use his blinker. Pittman is a close colleague of Schneider. They worked together for years, starred in Cops TV together. In this scene, they kicked down a door without a warrant.
Did he lock it?
Yep.
All right.
Using a baby stroller for leverage, with that baby still in it.
Just when you're walking, you need to be on the sidewalk, just not in the street.
In another scene, the pair stop a black man for not walking on a sidewalk, on a road that doesn't have a sidewalk. But back to the other Motel 6 camera, allegedly showing the blinker violation. Apparently, the officers never went back or used their body camera to record the screen at that time. In the end, Schneider was disciplined, but just for his use of force. In the final suspension paperwork in his personnel file, there is nothing about the unseen turn signal violation.
Right, with no sort of standard.
It's exactly the type of thing defense attorneys fear.
So we have 1,400 names of officers who have got serious credibility issues, but we have no way to know how many more should be on this list. And we probably will never know based on the way the system's set up now.
Right, I mean, that's the problem with the system, right? The gatekeepers to these lists are the very people who have an incentive to keep names off the list.
Schneider was Glendale's leader in arrests. The department loved him for it, literally. In his 2017 review, his supervisor wrote, "He has it. He is a bloodhound against criminals and can dig up crime anywhere you put him."
If you don't have a robust internal affairs investigation happening, or you have one that sort of doesn't sustain the allegations or figures out a way to sort of sweep them under the rug, right? That information may never even get to the county attorney's office, which means that officer will never be placed on a Brady list.
Finally, in the highest ranking opinions, a commander and assistant chief ensure findings against Schneider won't be sustained. The video obtained does not prove or disprove what Schneider observed while the vehicle turned into the parking lot. Schneider has been adamant during the entire investigation that he observed the driver fail to signal. In other words, taking an officer's word over video evidence.
A lying cop is extremely dangerous because that officer will routinely come into court, look the judge in the eye, look the jurors in the eye, right, and lie.
Listen, you'll have your day in court, buddy.
And the problem is that the public, who make up the jury, and even judges, right, they want to believe the officers, okay? They want to.
Now, there's no way to put a number on this problem. No way to know how many cases were never opened, swept aside, minimized. Plus, after a couple years, usually 5, officers can purge misconduct from their personnel files. That's why solving this problem may be the most difficult of all. I'm Investigator Dave Biskobing, ABC 15, Arizona.
In March 2020, Officer Schneider retired under an accidental disability claim, allowing him to collect benefits and avoid further disciplinary consequences.
Now here's a timeline in the case. It happened in July 2017. The Maricopa County Attorney's Office cleared Schneider and did not Brady list him for lying. Then in February 2019, we exposed the video. The FBI immediately launched a federal investigation, which is still open, and the feds asked MCAO if they would relook at the case. Then in June 2020, new County Attorney Alistair Adele took office and sent the case to the AG's office.
Now, Schneider is no longer a cop. After our investigation, the State Police Board opened a case, and last year he forfeited his license. But before that happened, Schneider retired under accidental disability, allowing him to collect a pension and benefits.
In 2018, Johnny Wheatcroft and Anya Chapman, represented by attorney Jody Lynn Broaddus, filed a federal civil rights lawsuit against the city of Glendale, Matthew Schneider, Mark Lindsey, and Michael Fernandez. The lawsuit alleged excessive force, unlawful arrest, and violation of constitutional rights. Glendale's attorneys attempted to have the case dismissed under qualified immunity, claiming Schneider's actions did not violate clearly established law. In March 2022, U.S. District Judge Michael Liberty denied qualified immunity for Schneider, ruling that a reasonable jury could find the use of force excessive. The judge allowed claims of excessive force and constitutional violations to proceed, though dismissed secondary claims of retaliation and malicious prosecution. Initially, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office, led by Bill Montgomery, declined to prosecute Schneider. After the video footage gained national attention, the Arizona Attorney General's office took over the case in 2020.
Glendale officer Matt Schneider was often his department's top leader in arrests. He starred on the show Cops, but now he's on the other side. Schneider was just charged on 3 counts of aggravated assault. Schneider made up the reason he stopped the car at the motel in the first place. He claimed there was a turn signal violation, but surveillance video shows the officers never could have seen any violation because their police vehicle was in a back alley. Outside experts say Schneider falsely claimed the passenger had to show him ID, and when the man questioned why, officers repeatedly shocked the man as he was tangled in a seatbelt. And this is where the 3 criminal charges come into play. Face down on the ground while handcuffed, Schneider kicked the man twice between the legs and then pulled down his shorts and tasered him in the groin. According to state statutes, it's aggravated assault if it happens while the victim is bound or restrained.
In January 2023, Matthew Schneider pleaded guilty to a misdemeanor count of disorderly conduct. He received no jail time, no probation, and was fined only $115 plus fees, a punishment widely criticized as inadequate given the nature of his actions.
Schneider accepted a plea deal from the Arizona Attorney General's office, and this is what he told the judge ahead of his sentencing.
Your Honor, I am standing before the court today as something in a million years that I would have never dreamed I'd be, a convicted criminal. As you know, I come from a law enforcement family. It's hard to describe the shame I felt telling the people who raised me and were excellent role models that I'd be pleading guilty today. It was even harder when I had to tell my kids. I accept full responsibility for my actions on July 26, 2017. I tried to do my absolute best as a police officer and a human being that day, and it wasn't good enough.
Judge Patricia Starr expressed sympathy for Schneider.
You suffered for the last 5.5 years the consequences of what happened. Your family has suffered the consequences of what happened. Not a lot of people do is you picked yourself up, you found something else, and you're now excelling at that. So I would see no purpose whatsoever to put you on probation. I see what's happened in the last 5.5 years and the loss of your career as a very severe punishment that's already happened to you.
Schneider was originally facing 3 felony aggravated assault charges. Again, his plea deal is for a single misdemeanor disorderly conduct charge. No jail, no probation. But Judge Starr did order Schneider to pay fines and fees, totaling $115.
And that's going to be my sentence. I think it's time for everybody to move on. I have no doubt that you're going to continue to have a huge impact in your community just as you have for so many years.
In December 2022, the city of Glendale settled a civil lawsuit with Johnny Wheatcroft and his family after mediation. The settlement amount remains confidential, though it is believed to be substantial given the egregious conduct and emotional harm caused. The city of Glendale did not admit wrongdoing, and no officers were terminated or decertified as a result of this incident. This case became one of the most widely cited examples of police misconduct and qualified immunity abuse in Arizona. Investigative reporting by ABC 15 News and journalist Dave Biscobing exposed the case publicly and earned national recognition, including a Hillman Prize for broadcast journalism. Despite public outrage and court findings, Matthew Schneider continues to receive retirement benefits, underscoring a major flaw in the U.S. system of police discipline and pension protection. The case of Officer Matthew Schneider versus Johnny Wheatcroft stands as one of the most disturbing and revealing examples of excessive force and systemic police protection in recent U.S. history. What began as a routine traffic stop for a fabricated turn signal violation escalated into a public display of cruelty and humiliation, not because of imminent danger or resistance, but because an officer's authority was questioned. The body cam footage, once released, stripped away every layer of justification. It showed a father electrocuted 11 times, dragged half naked across asphalt, and tased in his genitals while his wife and children screamed in horror. Despite overwhelming evidence of misconduct, Matthew Schneider escaped accountability, shielded by a system designed to protect officers before citizens. His punishment? A $115 fine and an early retirement with benefits. This perfectly shows how unfair the balance is between power and justice. For Johnny Wheatcroft, the consequences were lifelong. Trauma, humiliation, and the memory of being tortured in front of his children. For the Glendale Police Department, it was a PR nightmare, quietly buried under a confidential settlement. And for the broader public, it became a chilling reminder that qualified immunity, internal cover-ups, and weak oversight mechanisms can render even the most egregious abuse of power almost consequence-free. The Wheatcroft incident exposed more than one officer's violence. It revealed a culture where misconduct is tolerated, oversight is performative, and accountability ends when the cameras turn off. Until that culture changes, cases like this will not be isolated. They will be symptoms of a system that rewards silence and punishes scrutiny.
For more than a year, sources say the department slow-walked an internal investigation. We obtained the case and audio of Schneider's interview.
Just looking at the video, all right, I mean, you can't see through that bottom level, all right? Explain to me how the signal, how you could have seen the signal from where you're at.
The angle looks horrible. I'm not gonna lie. Now, obviously, watching this, it's not possible that I saw the violation.
In fact, his own body camera footage shows he's in the back alley at least 16 seconds before turning the corner.
Honest to God, I really believed the day that it happened that I saw the no signal. I don't have any explanation for this camera angle. I really don't.